Welcome back to my channel. I am here today with a real quick unboxing video, a little different to my channel, not beauty. This time it is hair. I placed an order for some extensions a couple of days ago, and I got my package in, and I ordered the hair from Klaiyi, I don't know, Klaiyi hair. This is an AliExpress company, but they also have a website, and I typically tend to order from them directly from their website, mainly because I can shop with PayPal, and sometimes AliExpress doesn't always give me the option to shop with PayPal. And on their website they also frequently have discount codes. So the package comes in this little pink and white box. On the back it has instructions on how to take care of your hair. So I ordered this time some straight Brazilian hair. I want, coming up for the fall, I want like long, sleek, dark hair. And in the package comes with a pair of eyelashes. These actually aren't that bad looking. I don't know if I will wear them, but they do come with a pair of lashes. And each bundle comes individually wrapped in its own plastic, like so. So I got 4 bundles. I got 2 26, a 24, and a 22-inch bundle. And I'll just take one out real quick. Let's do the 26-inch. So here's a 26-inch bundle I'll take out of the plastic. Now I have ordered from Klaiyi hair several times in the past before. That orange copper hair in my last video, I believe, that is their body wave hair. And the deep wave hair that I've had, and I think maybe my first or second video that I lightened a little bit, that's also from Klaiyi hair. So this is what the hair looks like. It is pretty long. This is what the ends look like. So it's pretty full all the way down to the ends. The hair is super soft. I'm running my fingers through it. I'm not getting any tags. I'm not getting any hair or shedding coming out. It smells like weave, but it doesn't have like a bad chemical smell or like it's been sitting in a warehouse or something. So yeah. So, and I'll show you the longest. This is a 22 and 26. So I'll also pull out the 22-inch real quick just to show you guys. So I typically get their closures as well. I'm not a frontal girl. I know my limits. I know my role, and I play it well. The first wig I ever made was a frontal wig, and that was I started at the gate doing the most, and it was a lot of work, and I just am not that committed right now. I do have a couple full lace wigs that I rarely bother to put on, but I did end up getting my closure not from them, but I do see now that they offer the transparent lace closures, and those are becoming a Swiss lace closure. Those are becoming very popular. So I think next time I order from them, I may get one of those to try. But this is the 22-inch. It is, oh Lord, baby, I'm about to be Naomi Campbell. This hair is pretty long as well. Ooh, yeah, it comes all the way to like my rib cage. And I'll put it up here because it'll be like closer to the top of my head. But I did end up ordering a 6x6 closure, so it'll be more like a frontal style, but it won't be as much work as a frontal. But I'm not sure if Klaiyi is currently ordering 6x6 offering 6x6 frontals, but maybe they will in the future. But this is what the 22-inch looks like. It's also super, super soft and full. Getting a lot of hair in these bundles. And again, no smell. Well, it smells like hair, weave, but no chemical smell. I'm running my fingers through it easily. No hair or snags coming out in my hand. So yep. I'll leave all the information to this website down below if you're interested in trying out Klaiyi hair. I did pay for all this hair with my own money. All opinions are my own. So if you guys have any questions or concerns, comments, anything, leave it down below. Please remember to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.